Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting SUVs to hit the market recently, the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro. This vehicle promises a blend of style, technology, and performance that aims to shake up the SUV segment. So, let's get started. Chery Automobile Company, founded in 1997, has quickly made a name for itself as one of China's leading car manufacturers. With a focus on innovation and quality, Chery has expanded its footprint internationally. The Tiggo 7 Pro is a prime example of this commitment to excellence. Launched as part of the Tiggo family, this SUV is designed to cater to modern consumers seeking a spacious and tech-savvy vehicle. First impressions matter, and the Tiggo 7 Pro certainly delivers. The SUV boasts a bold and dynamic exterior design, characterized by its aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and distinctive daytime running lights. The sculpted body lines and muscular stance give it a sporty appearance, while the chrome accents add a touch of sophistication. Moving to the side, you'll notice the prominent wheel arches and 18-inch alloy wheels that contribute to its robust look. The Tiggo 7 Pro also features a floating roof design, enhancing its modern aesthetic. At the rear, the full-width LED taillights and dual exhaust tips further emphasize its sporty credentials. As we explore the exterior, it's clear that the Tiggo 7 Pro has been designed with attention to detail. The paint quality is impressive, with options that include vibrant colors like cobalt blue and pearl white, allowing buyers to express their personal style. Step inside, and the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro continues to impress. The cabin is spacious, offering ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. The use of high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a stylish dashboard layout creates a premium feel that rivals some of the more established brands in the market. The seats are well cushioned, providing excellent support for long journeys. The Tiggo 7 Pro can comfortably seat 5 adults, making it an ideal family SUV. Additionally, the rear seats can be folded down to expand the cargo space, accommodating larger items or luggage for road trips. One of the standout features of the Tiggo 7 Pro is its advanced infotainment system. The central touchscreen, which measures 10.25 inches, is responsive and easy to navigate. It supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity with your devices. You can access navigation, music, and hands-free calling with ease. In today's digital age, technology is a crucial factor for many car buyers, and the Tiggo 7 Pro does not disappoint. It's equipped with a range of smart features designed to enhance convenience and safety. The vehicle offers a 360-degree camera system, which provides a bird's-eye view of the surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. Additionally, the Tiggo 7 Pro includes advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. These features not only enhance safety, but also provide peace of mind during your travels. Now let's talk about performance. The Chery Tiggo 7 Pro is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, producing a robust 147 horsepower and 210 Newton-meters of torque. This engine is mated to a CVT, continuously variable transmission, that ensures smooth acceleration and efficient power delivery. On the road, the Tiggo 7 Pro feels nimble and responsive, with a comfortable ride quality that absorbs bumps and imperfections with ease. The steering is well weighted, providing good feedback for the driver. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the Tiggo 7 Pro delivers a balanced and enjoyable driving experience. For those who crave a bit of adventure, the Tiggo 7 Pro also offers an all-wheel drive option, which enhances its off-road capabilities. With a ground clearance of 210 millimeters, it can tackle various terrains, making it suitable for weekend getaways or outdoor activities. In an era where fuel efficiency is a key consideration for buyers, the Tiggo 7 Pro performs admirably. With a combined fuel economy of around 6.8 liters per 100 kilometers, it competes well against other SUVs in its class. This efficiency, combined with its spacious interior and practical design, makes it a strong contender for families and urban dwellers alike. When it comes to pricing, the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro offers excellent value for money. Positioned competitively in the market, it provides features and technology typically found in more expensive rivals. Starting at approximately 26,000 Australian dollars, it undercuts many competitors while delivering a well-rounded package that appeals to budget-conscious consumers. In a market saturated with options, the Tiggo 7 Pro stands out as an attractive alternative to well-known models like the Mazda CX-30 and Toyota RAV4. While these vehicles have established reputations, the Tiggo 7 Pro's blend of style, technology, and performance makes it a serious contender. To sum it all up, the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro impresses with its striking design, spacious interior, advanced technology, and robust performance. It's a vehicle that caters to the modern consumer, offering practicality without compromising on style. If you're in the market for an SUV that ticks all the boxes, the Tiggo 7 Pro is definitely worth a closer look. It brings a refreshing option to the segment, combining affordability with a feature-rich experience that is hard to ignore. Thanks for joining us today as we explored the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and automotive content. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you consider the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro as your next SUV?